You say I'm threatening.
It's not the camera that's threatening, it's the fact that you said you followed my client here.
I never said that. Reverse it.
Okay, I asked you.
I said I'm filming here everything I see.
I said, are you here filming my client? And you said yes. I watched.
This guy always moving where I move. ¿Ah?
No me gusta que me apunte de casa.
Si no quiere, váyase a su casa.
No, tengo cita aquí.
¿Ok? No puede ser nada, esto es público, señor. Puede ir a chillarles allá adentro, que no quiere fotos. ¿Es de América? ¿American o no?
Yes.
Entonces, ¿por qué chilla cuando le toman fotos?
No estoy chillando.
Si está en público.
Simplemente le estoy diciendo que
Tiene que saber de lo que se puede hacer aquí en Estados Unidos, señor. Oh, this one, I wonder, oh. There's one coming now. I think this is a guy with this guy. He was the one here. See, at least he's professional.
Can I ask what this is about?
Can I take a picture of your ID?
I don't think so. Can I
Please.
ask what you're doing here?
Can I take a picture of your ID?
And that depends what you're doing here.
You engage me first. What's your name? Can I know who I'm talking to?
My name is Margaret.
Can I see the badge? Just a little bit quick. Yeah. I just need the picture.
I don't know why I would show you the picture when you won't tell me what you're doing here. It sounds like a little bit threatening. Were you here filming my client?
Yeah.
You were here filming my client.
Everything, the building and everything.
And why?
It's for an investigation, lady.
What kind of an investigation?
An investigation. I
What
cannot
kind?
disclose at this moment.
Well, since you're taking pictures of me, I'll go ahead and take one of you.
If you could move the paper, it will be nice.
Why would I do that, sir?
no,
You're not with him?
no.
Are you with him? What's your name?
Can you remove the paper?
Why don't you tell me again what you're doing here? You're here to film my client, is that right? Did you follow him here? You just
Can
told me
you
that
remove the
fol-
paper so I could see?
So why in the world would I do that? You're threatening me. You're threatening my
A
client.
camera's threatening you, lady?
You, sir, are
For holding
threatening
a
me.
camera? You're saying
You
I'm
told me
threatening
you're
you?
following my client.
You're really fool.
What's really funny?
Call the police. They're not gonna do anything about it.
I don't know. I think they might. Why? So, are you?
For me
trying to-
holding a camera, you say I'm threatening.
It's not the camera that's threatening. It's the fact that you said you followed my client.
I never said that. Reverse it.
Okay, I asked you.
I said
are
I'm
you
filming here everything I
fol-
see.
I said, are you here filming my client? And you said yes. I watched you film.
Yes,
him.
I never said I followed them. I said I'm here filming.
Okay, you said you're here filming.
Yeah,
me.
and-
You're here filming me. You're trying to get my name from my ID, and you won't tell me what you're doing here or why. This is extremely suspicious.
Call the
and-
police if it's suspicious.
Okay.
You could take all the photos that you want of me. Tell them to bring me some Gatorade and some snacks while I wait, okay? My time is precious. So why is this guy here? That's my question too. He was leaving already and he's still staying here.
Ridge Boulevard. He followed my client here. I'm an attorney, and he's been threatening me. He's threatening my client. Could you please send a car?
You're just making a lie. Watch what you say.
Well, he is pointing a camera at me, asking to see my ID. He hasn't actually threatened to do anything, but I know who he is. I know why he's here. Thank you. Okay. You gotta call.
Watch what you say because it might get you in trouble. Don't make false stuff.
Babe, can you hang out? Babe? Can you hang out for a minute? So, sorry, you're not with him? Okay.
He approached Ghana too.
What's that?
He approached Ghana too. And he took pictures of Ghana with her husband about her. So she felt like she was like with her dog. That's why she was there.
You should go, we'll talk after. You know, it would help a lot if you told me what you were doing here.
You think I'm gonna speak with you when you're in bed and I'm threatening you? How am I threatening you?
You asked to see my ID and you told
That's
me
not a
that you're-
threat, lady, okay? Threatening you wanted to touch you or something. Learn what you say.
Okay.
I guess
well,
you're not
it's
educated. You
threatening.
need a lot of education, lady.
Okay, yeah, I need a lot of education.
Don't be a Karen. I didn't want to call you that, but please don't be a Karen.
So I'm a Karen because I don't want you to film my client and stand here in front of my
Do you
office.
know this is public?
It sure is.
I'm not inside there. As long as I'm not inside there, I'm not breaking the law.
I'm not saying that you are, but you're scaring me. And we'll see what the police have to say.
Yeah, they're gonna tell you over the phone or they're gonna come over here.
Either way, sir, if you don't tell me what you're doing here, this looks very suspicious.
Don't be a Karen. I don't want you to have a heart attack.
Thank you for the advice. That's very kind.
Just take a deep breath. You could have been more polite. What may I help you, sir? You're just scared because I'm holding a camera. That's the whole point of the situation. And tell them to hurry if they're gonna come up. I'm bringing a Gatorade and some snacks while I wait. So we'll see how long this takes. It'll take a while. Let me show you. Look at this. I'm here outside in public sidewalk. My feet are on the sidewalk. And they just decide to bother a man holding up a camera. I don't think this is fair. Saying lies over the phone. So it looked like the longest walk of shame. So I want to see something right here. I think this guy rather pass. Even the kid is more scared of a camera. I don't know what's going on in this age. Did they leave her on hold for a long time? Damn. They left her on hold. They didn't want nothing to do with it. It's taking forever. She's turning red, a little bit red. I guess photography is not a crime.